If you're tired of guessing in the market and want a system that produces steady profits with defined risk, this is for you. Because what I'm about to show you is how we've grown an account by over 4.3K in just 59 trades. And right now, the system is undefeated. Now, let me be clear, a loss is coming. No system wins 100% of the time. But what matters is the edge. And this is where most traders get it wrong. They treat options like gambling, buying random calls, chasing moves, trading on emotion. That's exactly why they lose. We do the opposite. We trade mechanically. Our edge is built around high-probability setups using debit and credit spreads with defined risk. But the difference is how we structure them. We don't need perfect direction or timing. We build cushion into every trade. This is where ATR comes in. ATR tells us how much an asset typically moves. So instead of guessing, we position our spreads in a way where even if the asset moves 5% or even 10% against us, we can still profit. Think about that. The trade can go against us and still win. But here's where most people mess up. They think placement is the edge. It's not. Execution is. The moment we enter a trade, we already know how we're exiting. We set a 40 to 50% good till canceled limit order immediately, so when the trade hits that target, it closes automatically. No emotions, no greed, no hesitation. And here's why that matters. Most trades close well before expiration, so instead of waiting around, your capital is constantly freed up and reused. That's how you compound. That's how you scale. Now, yes, you can hold for full profit if you want, but from our experience, consistently taking 40 to 50% and recycling capital produces more stable results. This is not about home runs, it's about consistency. That's the real edge. Not just spreads, not just ATR, not just profit targets, but combining all three into a mechanical system. That's how we've gone 59 trades and are up 4.3K after fees. And again, a loss will come, but the system is built to handle that. So if you want consistent income with defined risk instead of emotional trading, this is for you. Comment yes below and I'll send you a bonus trade on top of the free trade already in our school community. If you like mechanical trading with no emotion and consistent results, like and share this video. The link is in the description.